Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix if you cannot install Snapchat app from your Google Play Store. So let's begin our video. So first of all, how do you need to do? You just need to open your Play Store. Just open your Play Store and click on the top right corner your profile icon and then select settings. Right now select network preference, select app download preference, and if you see it's selected ask me every time, you just need to select over any network and select OK. Right now let's back and open your phone settings and scroll down and you just need to find out apps. Select manage apps and find out Play Store. So here you can see, just open it, and at the bottom you can find the option clear data. Select it, select clear cache and OK. So after doing all, I hope your problem will solve. You can install Snapchat from your Play Store. That's it guys, I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.